Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a restricted area on your Roborock app. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who maybe don't want certain areas of their home where you want your Roborock going towards. How do you actually go ahead and set up a restricted area? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you're first going to do is that you're going to log on to your Roborock app, and then we're going to enter the robot in which you want to create a restricted area for. Now, once you do so, you're going to see all the rooms within your home. You're going to click on the map icon with the pencil on the upper right hand corner, and then you're going to click on no-go zone. So what this is that you'll be able to create no-go zones, meaning zones in which you don't want your robot vacuum to go towards, or you can create an invisible wall. So with this invisible wall that you see right over here, notice how it creates a border in which it's going to hit and then turn around if it hits that wall. So we'll just remove that. What we'll do is that we're actually going to create a very tiny no-go zone. So we'll just click on no-go zone, and then we'll make this a super small zone that we don't want our vacuum going towards. So we'll do it like that, and then we'll click on check mark. So there you have it. We've now created a restricted no-go zone on our Roborock app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.